Hi everyone. In this video I will show the updates of attendance management system on the faculty side. First and foremost update is check today's status. Means whether a faculty submitted today's attendance or not. If faculty is not submitted, it is going to show didn't submitted any classes today. So after confirmation, I will go back and once again I will submit my attendance. So I'm going to select for whichever I am going to take the class and branch and course and for which class I am going to submit the attendance. For example, I am going to for upload for 2B. I am going to click on 2B. It is going to ask various kind of features. And one more update here is I have added SLAT 4 as an option. So this is specifically meant for PUC faculty. Yeah, I am going to enter the topic JavaScript introduction. Yes, and I am going to select the today's date and I'm going to take the SLAT as SLAT 1. So I have taken the class on SLAT 1. So it is not rescheduled. Material provided yes, which no, and I'm going to choose the file which we are getting it through Google Meet extension. Yeah, and one more update is in the previous version the submit button is on the bottom of the page. Bottom of the page. Now we get it into the adjacent to the choose file option. Yeah, I'm going to click on submit. Yes. Now the another feature is in the previous version it is showing that only attendance submitted successfully. Now we also added total attendees for this session are 66. So for my CSC 2B class 66 people are added or attended for the class. Yeah, fine. This is also one more feature updated. Yes. So now if I click on check today's status, it is going to clearly show whether you have updated or not. Yes, I have updated today's class so that we won't get any confusion whether we updated or not. Yeah. So I will go for click on back. And if you click on details, we can visualize that E2 branch CSC subject web technologies class 2B. Yes, I have taken two classes. Out of that the first person has one class. Yeah, like this you will get the consolidated attendance. Yeah, so if you want I can download. I will go for black. And one more updation is here we have an option called students attendance sheet, meaning that if I click on here and it will ask for the various fields year, branch, subject, class 2B. You can visualize the details of every student on day wise. S170784 on 10th of this month absent and on today's 12th of this month has presented 1. Yeah. So meaning that you will get count also. S170474 and 10th of this month also added. So first period is attended and second class also attended on this day. So that is why it is incremented. So it is incremented. Yeah. Like this we are going to get the attendance sheet, like which we can visualize it through the attendance book of our college. Yeah. If you want to make it filter, you can filter also. For example, I want to make it filter from 8th of this month to 10th of this month and click on submit. Automatically it is going to filter that data. Filter it. Yeah. For example, I'll go for section 2A. Yes, you can observe on 8th and 9th of this month I have taken the classes. So you can clearly visualize. So these people has attended for two classes. These people has attended for one class and on 9th absent. So like this we can take the individual students also. Yeah. If we add one more date, that date will come here and it is going to increment this value by 1 if it is required, if they are present. Yeah, fine. So these are the some of the features we updated this version. I hope you understood this one clearly. Thank you.